Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make your own rosemary cleansing sticks. They will be perfect for purifying your space, bringing calming energies, earthy vibes into your home. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is cut and prep it. Now you can get it from the garden, your local market, a grocery store, anything like that. And what you're going to want to do is when you begin to wrap them, once you've gathered all your stems, you're going to want to bunch about 6 to 8 pieces together, cutting them down about 5 to 6 inches or so. This size makes them easy to handle and burn safely when they are dry, and they do burn. So you do want your bundle to feel pretty full, but not too thick, so it does dry evenly. You're going to have cotton twine, your snippers, and you're just going to go ahead and snip them all down into the size that you're wanting. Once you have your bundles together, you're going to take your cotton twine or your natural string or whatever it is that you have, and you're going to begin wrapping them rather tightly, but not so tight that it can't breathe, because it does still have to dry and it does still have to burn. So we're going to go from the bottom to the top, then back down again, and we're going to tie it off rather securely. The twine helps the bundle keep its shape, and it gives it that beautiful rustic look. Now for drying, we're going to dry and we're going to hang them upside down. We're going to lay them flat on some sort of rack or basket, somewhere where airflow can allow. And then you're going to let them dry for about 7 to 10 days, or until they feel completely crisp or snap rather easily. And don't toss out those thick woody stems. You can actually root those in water to grow more rosemary. Just strip the leaves from the bottom few inches and place the stems in a glass of water on a windowsill for it to get light, and in a few weeks you'll see those roots start to form, and your rosemary will continue to grow, and you can have it nice and fresh in your kitchen all year round. Now, the benefits of rosemary cleansing. Rosemary has been used for centuries in many cultures for cleansing negative energies, for spiritual protection, and even mental clarity for that focus. Burning rosemary helps to reset the energy in your space, improve your focus, and promote peace. Simply light the tip, blow it out, let the smoke gently wave around your room, doorways. Use any ritual tools that you like, but it's important to do it with intention. It's a powerful, natural way to release stagnant or heavy energy, and it smells amazingly incredible. And of course, rosemary is amazing in the kitchen too. It's super rich in antioxidants, supports your digestion, adds deep earthy flavor to roasted potatoes, meats, veggies, breads. It even has a mild antimicrobial property. So whether you're cleansing your space or seasoning your food, rosemary has got your back. Thank you for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY herbal tips and intentional living. Let me know in the comments, do you use rosemary in your rituals, your recipes, or both? I'd love to hear it.